Hello everyone, good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, Miss.
Okay,
Morning,
good.
Miss.
So how are you today?
Good.
Good.
Miss.
Okay, thank you. Today there are 21 students who join this class. Thank you so much for attendance. Ya, jadi terima kasih sudah bergabung di kelas ini. So today we are going to start our lesson. So we still learn about the procedure text. This is our second meeting. Jadi ini pertemuan kedua kita. So the objective of our learning today is you can present about the monologue of recipe, and also you can make your own video according to the context and also coherence and also pronunciation. Penilaiannya adalah lebih ke keterampilan, dan nanti untuk penilaian sikap saya akan menilai untuk keaktifan kalian dan juga untuk kedisiplinan kalian serta percaya diri nanti. I want to review about our last material. Do you still remember what did we learn last week? Masih ingat? Do you still remember?
Procedure text.
You remember about the generic structure?
Itu goal.
Goal, good.
Connective.
Ya, connective. Terus.
Imperative.
Imperative sentence. Terus.
Action.
Action verb. What else?
Simple present tense.
Yeah. And the last one? We have? Yang terakhir?
Adverbial phrase.
Adverbial phrase. Good. Now please come to Schoology. We have a discussion there. So I will give you 2 videos. And after that, please discuss by answering my question, ya. Can you share your discussion with your friend? Which one is interesting for you and why? Kane, can you share? Where is Kane?
Ya, Miss.
Yeah, okay. Which one is interesting for you, Kane?
Video 2 is more interesting for me because the speaker pronunciator is more spirited and set the correct pronunciation on most words, so it's more easy to understand it.
Okay, so for you it is easy to understand the second video, and the pronunciation is better than the first one.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Onion.
Onion. In which video? First or second video?
First video.
Okay, anyone? Ada yang lain? Maybe Jonathan, Raditya? Can you find another mispronunciation?
Salt.
So I will give the explanation about imperative sentence. Jadi saya akan memberikan pemahaman tentang imperative sentence karena ini mungkin yang di minggu kemarin belum terlalu Miss Reni jelaskan. So according to grammar.about.com, imperative sentence is a type of sentence that gives advice or instruction or expresses a request or command. Jadi imperatif itu biasanya dimulai dengan base form. Berupa apa? Bisa advice or instructions or command. Contohnya dalam bentuk instruksi. preheat the oven. Dalam bentuk request kita bisa menggunakan misalnya don't forget to garnish the fried rice with cucumber. Nah, I will give you the feedback on your last work. Jadi di tugas kalian yang minggu kemarin tentang voice note. Thank you that all of you have done your work. Semuanya sudah melakukan dengan baik. But there are still some mistakes. Masih ada beberapa kesalahan, especially the pronunciation and also when you use connective ya. Jadi masih ada beberapa kesalahan. Yang pertama adalah masih ada beberapa yang salah mispronunciation. Kesalahan di pronounce. Tidak banyak sebenarnya, hanya beberapa. Yang kedua, beberapa di antara kalian itu masih kurang menggunakan connective atau conjunction. Masih contohnya langsung menggunakan kata put the egg atau crack the egg. Jadi kurang menggunakan conjunction. Saya sudah melihat voice note kalian, beberapa masih kurang dalam hal koherensinya, dan beberapa masih salah di pronunciation. Nah, ini saya list beberapa kata-kata yang kalian gunakan, yang masih ada kesalahan. So, in this part, we can learn about how to pronounce it properly. Kita belajar bagaimana mengucapkan dengan benar. So, please repeat after me. Jadi, silahkan kalian repeat. Mengulang setelah saya mengucapkan, kalian ulang ya. Oke, fried egg.
Fried egg.
Fried egg.
Bread.
Bread.
Coffee.
Coffee.
Pepper. Sweetened condensed milk.
Sweetened condensed milk.
Okay. Number 1, biru lintang. Please read and answer it.
Kolak pisang is a favorite dessert in Indonesia, especially during the fasting month.
Okay, during ya.
Thicken the toilet mixture with corn flour
Yeah.
mixed with 5 tablespoons of butter.
Okay, good. Now, I want some of you to present the recipe orally. Don't forget to use the conjunction and also you can improve it. So, anyone want to retell again about the recipe? Maybe Vincent? What is the recipe
okay, Miss.
about? Okay, can you present it?
Okay, Miss.
Yeah.
Okay, hello guys, hello Miss.
Yeah.
Let me tell you how to make one of the Indonesia's favorite dessert, aka caramelized bananas with palm sugar, or what we usually call kolak pisang. The ingredients are 5 bananas, 3 grams of salt, 30 grams of corn flour, 50 grams of palm sugar, 200 ml of water, 30 ml of boiled coconut milk. The steps are, first, you need to prepare all the ingredients. Next, peel the banana.
Prepare. So please make the dough first. Don't forget to use the connectives and also be careful with your pronunciation. Jadi submissionnya jadi tanggal 2 November, the 2nd of November. Is it okay? Okay. Thank you for your attention today. I'm so thankful that all of you are doing well in this lesson. Thank you very much, and don't forget to still keep your healthy, and also next week we can meet again to learn about another material. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you. Have a nice day and God bless you.
Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.